Good morning, Kentucky. Meteorologist Dillon Gaudet here. We'll look at your weather headlines. A little sunshine returns today. Not a lot, but we'll see a few peaks of that sunshine trying to sneak on through later this afternoon. We are tracking a weak system late tomorrow into Thursday. Not going to bring much outside of light rain showers and maybe a few flakes into southeastern Kentucky by the time Thursday morning rolls around. But all eyes on the weekend system. We'll break down the latest coming up straight ahead. Temperatures out there right now, looking at the Kentucky Mesonet sites across northern portions of our viewing area. Most areas right above freezing, either 33 or 34 degrees for all stations here over the northern half of the viewing area. Southeastern Kentucky, that's where things are a little bit different. Up Harlan County, that's again above 4,000 feet. The Kentucky Mesonet site there, that is at 22 degrees, by far our coldest spot. Pike County is also at 26. Meanwhile, everyone else, most areas into the mid-30s to start the day today. And again, there's a little bit of a wind, but not very noticeable. Viper radar remains quiet across the region. There is not a whole lot going on thanks to high pressure building to our south and our west. Now that's going to increase our southwesterly breeze just a little bit and also help clear the skies out just a tad. We're still going to see cloud cover through most of the day, but we will at least see a little bit of sunshine. Futurecast shows that pretty well. As you head through the afternoon hours, notice a little bit of a southwesterly influence. Temperatures warm up just a tad, low 40s, but we're in the 30s yesterday, so we'll take anything we can get at this point. Then as you head into your Wednesday evening, notice how southeastern Kentucky, there will be the chance of a few rain showers there. Overall, not a whole lot to worry about. There will also be the chance of a few flakes Thursday morning after that system pushes through. Cold front makes for colder temperatures, but also the chance of a few flakes trying to fly into eastern Kentucky. But what we are really watching is the weekend, and here's the latest on what we know. Rain and snow now likely, looking very likely for Saturday into Sunday. That's the timing of this. Details are still up in the air, including who will see accumulating snow. Will there be rain in a rain-snow mix that will really impact the amount of snow that people see? And then also on the backside of the system, we're likely are going to see snow, but how much of that will stick after the rain? All still questions that we're going to be breaking through over the next couple of days. Let's tell you what a couple of scenarios that we could see. So scenario one is we have a weak high pressure up to the north and the east. What that is going to do is mean that this area low pressure to our south and our west could travel a little bit further inland, almost right along the mountains to our south and our east. That's going to draw in some warmer air with this system. We'll likely see rain-snow mix here in Lexington, maybe even just some straight rain, and then eventually ending with some snow. So that's going to really limit our chance of seeing any accumulating snow. But if this high pressure is stronger towards the north and the east, that will draw in more colder air with this system. Also keep this area low pressure a little bit further off towards the east. And with that, that brings more wintry weather in play here locally. So that's what we're going to be watching. Now, why are there still so many questions? Well, that's because the system is still off the west coast of the United States. Once the system makes its way into California, Oregon, and the rest of the West Coast, we'll have a better chance to get more data with this system that'll eventually be fed into the forecast models, thus making the forecast models more accurate. So we'll be breaking down all that over the next couple of days. Really late tonight into tomorrow, we're going to start to get a better idea of what we can expect here locally, but we're of course watching it for you, especially if you have any travel plans this weekend, beginning with Saturday and ending on Sunday. Look at the full 7-day forecast now. So that weak chance Wednesday into Thursday, quiet conditions for Friday after that cold start to the day, and then the weekend is what we are watching. Right now, again, wouldn't pay too much attention to the temperatures there, but it's the impact with the rain that we will see and then the potential for accumulating snow for some as well. So make sure you are staying with the ABC 36 Storm Team for more updates.